there, my lovelies, this is Jana here. Welcome to my channel. So today we're going to make something super different, super sophisticated, and yet so easy to make. We're going to make a hybrid between panna cotta and a mousse, but this time it's not going to be sweet. It's going to be savory. It's going to be pesto panna cotta or a mousse. So let's start with the recipe. On a pot, you will add 1 cup of any plant-based milk of your choice. However, I advise you not to use coconut milk or almond milk because they tend to be naturally sweeter than the other plant-based milks. So pay attention to that. This is my blue boy, Mr. Blue. He's walking around and meowing. He has a lot to say also. So what was I saying? Oh, about the plant-based milks. Okay, so my preferred one is always, I will always say that, is unsweetened soy milk, but the hemp milk also works, but never use sweetened milks. Always check on the back of the package if they add either sugar or any kind of flavor such as vanilla, okay? You can make your own milk as well. It will be perfect. And we're going to use agar for that because we need it to be firm once it's in the fridge. So we're going to start by dissolving the agar in the milk, okay? And what you're going to observe, especially if you use soy milk, is that it's going to start to foam as it heats up. That's perfect because these foam that you see forming up, this is going to add extra fluffiness to our panna cotta / mousse. Keep stirring for 3 minutes, so we activate the agar, and then we're going to add the remainder of the ingredients. Half a cup of plant-based cream. I always like to use cashew cream because it's neutral. 1/4 cup of pesto, either homemade or store-bought. Now you stir just a little bit more because you don't need to cook, okay? So now we're going to put in either the glasses that you're going to serve or ramekins, it doesn't matter. Or you can add into ring mold, so you make a mold and then you eat as a pate. It works wonderful. Like I said, it can be a starter. You can serve it individually, but bear in mind that because it's pesto, it tends to be a little bit strong and a little bit too much. So if you're serving as a starter, go easy because people can easily feel full. They're not gonna get full, but they're gonna feel full. And then they're going to push aside the delicious main dish that you might have prepared. This happened to me. So not with this pesto, but with other starters that I have made before. Quantity is very important, so always go easy on the starters because we want people very hungry when we want to serve the main dish. That's a good tip. After that, we're going to let it cool, allow it to cool completely before you put it in the fridge, and cover it so it doesn't get that smell of pesto all over your fridge. And you allow it, I think 3 hours, but the best thing is 6 hours or overnight because then it firms up and then it gets super cold. delicious. It's beautiful, isn't it? I have been making that, I think in the past 2 months, because I have been making tests. I have made it 2 or 3 times. It's so good. You have no idea. It's so, I wish I had some to show you guys. It's oh my god, it's unbelievable. It's super delicious, and I think you're gonna love it too. So if you make it, please tag me on Instagram and Facebook. I love when you guys tag me, and I love when you modify my recipes, because you guys are geniuses. And this is it for today. I see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, give me a thumbs up, and take care of each other. Have a fabulous week. Bye bye.